And our last presenter today is Shreya Mukherjee. Her title today is going to be Drive Towards Cleaner Vehicles. She comes to us from the Department of Chemical and Biological Engineering in the School of Engineering and Applied Sciences. She's a native of Howrah, India. I hope I'm saying that right.
Yeah,
And
that's great.
very interested in public speaking, drawing, and singing, and has a wish to visit every library in the world. Hope you get going soon. When you are
Thanks,
ready,
Alan. Yeah.
set, pitch.
Thank you, Alan. Hello, everyone. I like to work on solving different energy technologies. As my title says, today I'll talk about drive towards cleaner vehicles. I don't know how many of you are excited to own or rent your own clean vehicle one day, but I just want to convey one message today that zero emission cars use a fuel that not only burn without emitting any carbon dioxide, but the fuel, when produced, should not emit any carbon dioxide. So, the electric cars, which are already very popular, will be clean, 100% clean, only if they are not, they are always using 100% renewable electricity to recharge them, which is one of the problems because currently only 20% of the electricity demand is met by renewable electricity for any purpose. The other alternative technology which is there is hydrogen, which is a little less popular because hydrogen is very difficult to store and transport. There are hydrogen refilling stations only in California in US, and that's because refilling stations are very expensive. So to bring in renewable hydrogen from different states or different countries makes it even more expensive. And there are several scientists who are working on making the hydrogen transportation easier. But what we are trying to do is now use a liquid fuel like ammonia, which can be brought in on site and can be broken on site into hydrogen on demand. But the problem there is currently the material that is used, like the catalyst that is used to increase the conversion from ammonia into hydrogen, is based on a very precious metal like ruthenium. And what we are trying to do is to use alternative or substitute materials which will make the cost, which will make it cost effective and which will be able to make it commercialized. So we have been able to do that as of now, wherein the cost reduction has become 50%, and the so it will actually help in reducing the hydrogen transportation problem and make the hydrogen technology at least feasible. So there are some companies which like Air Products which are going into making this technology commercial. And if you're questioning what if the chemicals that we are using are actually synthesized without generating carbon dioxide, then yes, there are researchers who are actually trying to generate ammonia without generating carbon dioxide, and we are also working on that. So there should be an alternative technology which will not eliminate the battery vehicles, which will not eliminate electric vehicles, but will also be a substitute in making renewable energy more accessible to a wider world for a cleaner drive towards cleaner vehicles. Yeah, thank you for your attention.